Today I'm going to be doing a build of this kit right here. Insanely distracted by this lovely Viking peanut with a rose in her mouth right beside me. I can kind of give her head pats. It'll be okay. Sticker sheet. The sticker sheet looks kind of tiny, which is always nice to see. I don't have a B runner. Because this is A. Yeah, A runner. E, F, C? I don't have a D either? No B, no D? S, B? Hold on, the alphabet's not alphabeting. No! Okay, yeah, no B, no D. A, C, E, F. That's so weird to me. So we've got first page, head and right arm, left arm, legs. The backpack looks very cute on this kit. It looks like a little buddy. Doesn't this look like it could be a little friend? A little homie? I know these are weapons, but it looks like two little arms. And we hit our follower goal! Peanut! Peanut, are you so happy? Look at it! Look at it! Thank you guys! Oh, we did it. For those of you who are new here, typically there's two of us. It's me and this is my younger it's hard to believe, but this is my younger sister. Her name is Peanut. She's not a suave Viking most of the time. Just on occasion. Just on occasion when I'm left by my lonesome and I want some companionship. I've noticed the plastic feels very nice. I don't know if that's something a normal person would say. We've built a tiny little head. Look at this little thing. It's so small. You know what this reminds me of? To me, this looks like a magic carp. Does anybody else see it? He's encroaching in my space. Oh, he's taking a nap now. Good night. There we go. Completed chest. Very, very bulky, very squarish. But I think it's gonna look very cute with this tiny little circular head. He's kind of like snuggles right in there. So we've got an upper torso, the head. See if I can get a little bit of light in here. And then the arms. It's coming together, slowly but surely. We're getting there. If you're looking for a professional opinion, you're certainly not gonna find it here. If you're looking for two sisters memeing the shit out of each other, yeah, you've come to the right place. Here you go, gang. We have lift off. We have a waist. Little flap here. And then a little flappy flap here. This one sticks on to the back. The front flaps are connected together. You can cut the middle connecting them so they move independently. If they have two little balls, you can cut between them. Dang. You would really have me neuter my Demi Barding like that? Savage. Gotta use Super Saiyan Peanut? I think do I have Super Saiyan Peanuts? I memed on her and I think she's mad now. Team, I did a big sister move. And I'm not proud of this. But if you have a sibling, specifically an older sister, you might understand. She posted in the Gunpla Sisters Discord saying, "Gang, I hurt my hands. I'm not gonna be able to make it to stream today." And like the big sister that I am, I sent her a gif of a small child just saying, "Pussy." Because being the older sister, I thought it would be funny. I might have actually genuinely hurt her feelings. Doctor says you dunked on her hard. But I thought she would know it was a meme, you know what I mean? I think I hurt her feelings. Could have been worse. You could have said skill issue. See, I think all of these are hilarious because I'm the older sister. Cat treat, doctor, is it for this foot-looking fool right here? You sure you want to reward him with treatsies when he's licking his feet? Of course! Hello, sir. Can I talk to you about your car's extended warranty? Yes? What car do you drive? Do you have a license? We've had Super Saiyan up for a while. What other peanuts do we have? Here we go. Oh, he bends? What? Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let me show you guys the backpack. Is this not the cutest backpack that you have seen? So these, when you first assemble them, start down, right? And have them go fully up, like this. Let me push them both up. Oh. Oh gosh, I'm turning the whole thing. Up. Okay, up. See? Or you can have them, like, 90 degree? Isn't that so cute? I want to see a full kit of just this thing. This adorable little minion backpack. You can bring your little buddy with you as a backpack friend. It's adorable! Well, well, well. Look at who's finally showed up. The most anticlimactic reveal that we've ever done in Gunpla Sisters history.
Hey gang.
Look at that, it's my sister! Ah! But we're finishing the Demi Barding that we started last stream. So I've already got the head, torso, little waist, shouldies. This is the backpack. Doesn't it look like a little friend?
It does.
Isn't this the cutest thing ever?
It's very cute.
I almost love this more than the build itself.
It's really cute.
Like, this is my best friend now.
That's what I kept looking at, being like, that's the Demi Barding? I was like...
Yeah,
that's what I was looking
this
at.
This is the Demi Barding and this is the Demi Trader.
Yeah, I was like, hold on.
Yeah, he takes his best friend with him everywhere.
That's adorable.
You know in Jujutsu Kaisen, Todo? Best friendo.
Besto friendo.
Besto friendo.
My braza.
My braza. That's it. Sir, I need you to evacuate the premises. He's on Besto friendo, though. I will need...
Oh, no, we want both.
Whoa, 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 whoa! No, you can look, don't eat. As the younger sister, you have to think everything the older sister does is cool. That were the rules when we were 5, and that still applies when we're 25.
When you were 5, I was 2.
Eating goop off the floor.
Probably. Sitting under tables. That hasn't changed.
I always have the backup peanut ready to go at all times. If I just am tired of you, I can be like, haha. There you go. Got him.
He's dancing.
This one's trying to eat plastic. So, I mean... Watch the biddies! Whoa, 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 whoa! That's a biddy zone!
Hey, yo.
What are we drinking this
What are
evening?
you drinking?
Yeah, let's start with
What
me.
are you drinking?
I'm drinking iced coffee.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
This sounds delicious and normal and accepted by society and okay to talk about on stream. What are you drinking?
So funny you ask. Thank you so much for asking. I am drinking from my girlfriend water bottle. Her name is Gretchen, and the flavor is called titty milk, which is also totally normal and accepted by society and not weird.
Okay, but like, what does the flavor taste like?
Do you want a sip?
Yes.
It tastes like titty milk.
And that's what I don't believe, so... For science, I need to... It
Delicious.
smells sugary. Oh, but like, what? What is that? See, I can't say it's not sweetened titty milk, because it's just such a subtle flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Yeah,
like...
it's not overpowering.
It's like milk water with sugar.
Titty milk.
Damn it.
It's titty milk.
They perfected the flavor.
Damn it. God, they really did it, didn't they?
We got leggies. Leggies.
Zoinks.
Leggy check.
Look at that T-pose.
Uh-oh. You want a little bit more T-pose?
Whoa.
Okay, so now... Oh, I didn't put the other...
Oh.
Leggies. So this is the finished kit without the weapons. We've still got to add the weapons and put the back piece on. So we've got these little pieces on the side here. And they can actually go up or down.
Some thrusters?
See?
Oh, why? For what purpose?
They can rotate.
Cool.
So I enjoy that. That's kind of unique and different. Yeah, the thrusters.
Okay. No, that's really
That's
good.
on the floor now. We
Yeah.
still have another one.
That's what it's meant to do.
This is the back.
Wow, he's got a flat booty. He's got nothing going on.
No cake.
Zero cake.
Flat cake. But I'm pretty sure you can extend the cake to make it look like he's got a little bit of junk.
Gonna go hungry this birthday. Zero cake. Imagine body shaming a Mac.
Okay, this is kind of neat. This is kind of cool. So for the weapon, I got
That's
really
pretty
excited
neat.
about this, so I wanted to show you guys.
We're watching.
Let me take off. Okay, cool.
We're watching.
Let me show you something that I just discovered,
Cool.
and I think is the coolest thing ever, because I like little things that make my life easier. So, weapon.
Mm.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Put it in the hand,
Okay.
right? It's kind of big and bulky, so it doesn't quite go down all the way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of bulky to pose, not cool, like kind of icky.
Okay.
On top of the arm, you see that little slit?
Yeah.
This little piece of the gun here goes in to anchor it. So then it goes all the way down and it's stuck to like this. Look at that.
So it's not gonna fall out.
Yeah, I've had so many weapons
Yeah.
fall off or fall out. This is a sturdy.
That's not going anywhere.
Look at that. Are there more kits like this? I like this feature. It's such a simple thing, but it makes, as like someone who's gonna pose the heck out of this kit,
It's a nice touch.
it makes it so much more pose friendly.
That's a nice touch, actually.
I really like that. The
Do
dual
you-
assault, how many times does he drop that weapon?
We also push him onto the floor.
And he drops his weapon. You want to see this hit the floor? It's gonna hold his weapon.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Look at him.
Exhibit A.
Wow. He's dead. He's dead, Jim.
Put your backpack on so you wouldn't fall otherwise.
Seems like a normal HG. I mean, it's smooth. It's,
Articulation check, she broke the leg.
articulation. It's smooth.
Here, put it up here.
You can... This kind of gets in... Oh, but you can move it. Great. What about his booty? Doesn't get in the way. Great. Legs?
Very scientific articulation check by Peanut.
Very
She's broken the leg
scientific.
twice.
Yeah, you can't go too far either in any direction, other than
Yeah, the pauldrons
down.
kind of get in the way.
pauldrons, that's right.
We taught you that word before, come on.
That's right.
This has been Articulations with Peanut. I hope you learned a lot. But overall, I'm very happy with the colors.
I like it.
I like the look of
it
the
a lot.
kit. It's very unique. The backpack is my favorite part. I am obsessed with the backpack. Good effort.
Yeah, I'm not the one to do articulations.
She's in training.
Be good. Or don't.
That was a very inspirational talk. Thank you for that.
Be good or don't.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Good day.